You were born to stand out. Stop shrinking your light. You were born to stand out. But somewhere along the way, someone convinced you to shrink. Maybe it was your parents, scared and stuck in survival mode. Maybe it was your friends, uncomfortable with your confidence. Or maybe it was you, tired of fighting for your place in a world that never gave you permission. But hear me clearly, you don't need their permission to be great. Your purpose was never meant to be hidden. Your light was never meant to be dimmed to make other people feel safe. Playing small does not serve the world. Hiding your gift helps no one. Shrinking your voice so others don't feel insecure is not humility. It's self-betrayal. You keep asking why you feel stuck, why nothing is working, why you feel like something's missing. Let me tell you why. You were created to stand in your truth, and you've been living in someone else's shadow. You've been walking in circles trying to fit in when God called you to lead. You are not too much. You are not too loud. You are not too ambitious. You are exactly who you were created to be, and the world needs you fully alive. Stop asking people who've never seen your vision to validate your dream. Stop watering yourself down so you can fit into rooms God never called you to stay in. Stop waiting for the right time. Now is the time. This is the moment. Because someone out there is drowning and your story is their lifeline. They need your courage. They need your voice. They need your example of what it looks like to rise after falling, to shine after being shattered, to speak after being silenced. Listen to me, you were not created to blend in. You were created to break chains, to shift atmospheres, to change lives. So walk like it, talk like it, pray like it, show up like it. The next time someone asks you who you think you are, look them in the eye and say, I'm chosen, I'm powerful, and I was born to stand out. Because that's the truth, and it's time you started living like it. If this message lit something in you, it's not an accident. Share it, comment I was born to stand out, and subscribe. Because we're not shrinking anymore. We're rising together.